Hi guys, this is Professor R. Sivaramakrishnan, Department of International Business, Sri Ramakrishna College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this video, I am going to discuss about shipping industry. In shipping industry, about 90% of world trade is carried by the international shipping industry. Without shipping, the import or export of affordable foods and goods would not be possible. Half the world would starve and other half would freeze. Next, shipping is regulated globally by the International Maritime Organization, that is IMO. There are over 50,000 merchant ships trading internationally, transporting every kind of cargo. The world fleet is registered in over 150 nations and manned by over a million seafarers of virtually every nationality. World Seaborne Trade. The International Maritime Organization (IMO) is the United Nations Systems regulatory agency for the maritime sector. Its global mandate is safe, secure, and efficient shipping on clean oceans. IMO's rules and standards are accepted by governments and global shipping industry. World Major Seaport. The world major seaport covered 104 seaport in world level. World top 10 largest merchant shipping fleets. Japan 3962 shipping fleets, Greece 3032 fleets, Germany 2321 fleets, China 1999 fleets, USA 1963 fleets, Russia 1872 fleets, Norway 1458 fleets, Singapore 1122 fleets, Netherlands 1016 fleets, UK 957 fleets. Next, top 10 shipping companies are Maersk Line in Denmark, Mediterranean Shipping Company in Switzerland, CMA CGM in France, Evergreen Line, Taiwan, Casco in China, Hapag-Lloyd in Germany, APL, the American President Lines in Singapore, Hanjin Shipping Company in Korea, CSCL, the China Shipping Container Lines in China, MOL in Japan. Major ports in world are Port of Shanghai, Port of Singapore, Port of Hong Kong, Port of Dubai, Port of New York, Port of Mumbai, Port of Tokyo, Port of Rotterdam, and Port of Perth. Indian shipping industry. Indian tonnage currently stands at 10.11 million GT and Indian flagged vessels carry 8.4% of Indian trade cargo. The rest is carried by overseas shipping companies. Coastal shipping accounts for just 10% or a million GT of Indians' total tonnage. Port infrastructure. India has a long coastline spanning 7,516.6 kilometers and is serviced by approximately 200 ports. India has historically been serviced through 14 major ports. Mumbai is the largest port and handles 50% of all of Indian export originating mainly from the northern and central India. Container-wise, Mumbai handles 4.1 million 20-foot equivalent units, that is TEU. Bulk-wise, the overall tonnage of all cargo shipped through major ports in the 2010 was 560 mn tons. Next, major ports in India are Kandla, Mundra, Haldia, Paradeep, Mumbai Port, Goa, Mangalore, then Cochin, Visakhapatnam, Ennur, Chennai and Tuticorin. Top 10 Indian shipping companies are Shipping Corporation of India Limited, SR Shipping, the Great Eastern Shipping Companies, Bharati Shipyard, ABG Shipyard, Mercator Limited, Gujarat Pipavav, Varun Shipping, Global Offshore Services Limited, Shreyas Shipping. India is ranked 15th in the world with a shipping tonnage of around 11.5 million gross tonnage GT in 2011. Today, India has around 1,071 ships with 722 coastal and 349 overseas ships. Indian coastal shipping is highly fragmented. The top 9 companies account for nearly 70% of the total fleet by deadweight tons, and in terms of number of ships, the top 9 companies only control 20% share of the fleet. Many companies own just 1 or 2 ships. The Indian shipping industry consists of approximately 31 major shipping companies with Shipping Corporation of India (SCI), the largest public sector enterprise, also being the largest in the country. Thank you.